Hello Lions! Today I'm going to show you how to do a search through the A through Z database list. If you're on the home page, scroll down to the search box. There you'll see the A through Z database list. This is a list of all the databases that the library provides access to for the campus. You can sort them by the subject area, by the database type, by the vendor, or you can just do a regular search. I'm going to do a subject search. Let's do medicine. This brings up Medline, PubMed, and PubMed Central. Clicking on the database will bring you to the database homepage. If you are off campus, you may be asked to log into the proxy, which is the first part of your email and your password. I'm going to do a search. And I can see articles. On the side over here are my limiters. I can choose to limit by publication date, text availability, or the research funder, and I can look at additional filters if I decide to. I'm going to click on this one. And the abstract is going to be the first thing you want to read to make sure that the title is not misleading and the article actually talks about what you're interested in. Beneath is the article itself. You can read it here online, or you can download it via PDF, EPUB, or PubReader. If you click Citation, this will give you different formats of the citation for the article, so you can choose which format is correct. On the side, you'll see that there are guides listed. These are research and course guides that the librarians have created to help you with your research. Please make sure to make use of them as much as possible to help make your research process easier. If you have any questions about the A through Z database list, you'll see that the chat box will pop up. If someone is available, it will say a librarian is online. If not, you'll see this little box in the corner, and you can click on that and submit a question, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you and have a great day.